In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an artistic flair to your videos using the Filmora editing software, specifically by applying black and white filters. So whether you're aiming for a classic cinema feel or simply wish to imbue a timeless aesthetic to your projects, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up Filmora. If you're not familiar with launching the application, simply head over to your device's list of applications and open the Filmora video editor. Filmora is widely recognized for its user-friendly interface, making it ideal not only for seasoned editors, but also for beginners who are just getting started with video editing. Once you've successfully opened the application, it's time to dive into the wide array of features that Filmora offers. What we are particularly interested in today is the filters section. Think of filters as the special seasoning that can transform your footage from ordinary to extraordinary with just a few clicks. To locate this feature, navigate to the top menu on Filmora's interface and click on Filters. After accessing the Filters section, you'll likely notice a search bar. This is your gateway to effortlessly finding the filter that suits the mood you're aiming for, since Filmora offers a plethora of filter options. Here, type in the word black to find the range of black and white filters available. This process will narrow down the filters so you're not overwhelmed by choices and can quickly see what's available in the monochrome category. A list of different black and white filters will appear, each providing a unique look to your footage. As you explore these options, think about which filter matches the style and mood you're aiming for. Each black and white filter in Filmora has its own subtle differences, giving your video a different texture and depth depending on your choice. Hover over each filter to see a brief preview and select the one that aligns with your vision. Once you have decided on the perfect black and white filter, apply it to your video. This can usually be done by dragging the filter onto your video clip in the timeline or by selecting the video and applying the filter directly from the menu. After applying, you might want to play around with the adjustments available to fine-tune the effect to your liking, ensuring it looks consistent throughout your video. And there you have it. With a simple series of steps, you've successfully added a black and white filter to your video in Filmora, giving it the classic, timeless appeal you desired. Hopefully this process has been easy to follow and you're now more confident with using filters in your video projects. Stay tuned for more tutorials where we dig deeper into the world of video editing, making each frame reflect your creative vision.